Today we have a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. This is a 2018 model. On the dash it's saying the key fob is low. We're going to show you how to replace it. If your fob battery is low, this is the message it's going to give you on your dash. Just like that right there. This is what the fob looks like. And usually when you replace one, you replace the other one. It's more age than it is used sometimes. You just want to remove that right there. And you can see on the side right here, you can kind of just fit your key in there. You just gently pry on it like that. It starts coming apart. You don't want to force it. You don't want to break it. But usually this is how it is on most cars. Just like that all the way around. Nice and easy. Be careful not to scratch it. Okay. And there's your battery. You want to notice that the numbering is up. It's a 2032. So we're going to replace it with that. And you can buy those for about $2 at a store. So they're fairly inexpensive. There's no sense to take to the dealer and do this. These are what the batteries look like. They're a 2032. Same as this one right here. I'm just going to use a knife, cut that open real quick. Okay. Now right here you can see it's got a little notch back there. I'm going to use the knife again. Just gently pry it back. Pops right out. Take this one. Snap it in. That's how hard it is to replace a battery. There's no sense in going to the dealer. So put this back together like that. Clip it together. Reinstall the key. And that's all it takes to replace a battery on a 2018 Pacifica Hybrid.